Hi everybody, this is Martin from Centre Qigong du Québec. Just to let you know that I did a video of the first 17 moves of Moy Lin-Shin Tai Chi. So I did a video of each move in detail. So each of the move, I'll go into some details for beginners and also for more advanced people. I think that if you're a beginner, you'll find it pretty simple to learn. If you're more advanced, I'm sure that you'll find something in there that could be interesting for you. I'll put a description and a link to this formation, to this class on the description of this video. Hope that you'll enjoy it. The way it works, well, you have to, you rent this class for a certain amount for a year, and you have access to everything for 1 year. So hope you will enjoy it, have fun with it, good practice. Relaxing, bring the sternum down, you go up. This is the first part of the move, and after that, this is very yang position. So my head is up, okay, this is yin, you're closed, then you go up, yang, then you sit and you stretch the fingers in front of you, all right? So you're not over here, bringing the sternum to the pelvis, and after that I use my thoracic cage to go up, all right? So it's going up with the thoracic cage, all right? So go up, and then I bring the left knee in front and let the pelvis turn by itself, all right? Go up. Knee in the back and the pelvis in front, all right? So if I bring the knee in the back and the pelvis in front, this is how we go up, all right? So this is the muscle that we use to go up. So pushing on the floor won't do the trick, all right? Relax, go up, sit, stretch in front, go up, sit, pivot, and relax. So this is where we are, all right, after commencement. Moving. I'm just dragging, okay? I'm just dragging back. It's like somebody was holding you, okay, in front, and you want to get rid of him. So open up. So you slide it through, all right? You slide it through. You're holding a book. So this way, you're just moving away from that grip, okay? Open up. Because what I see often is people doing this, okay? So the next move is called carry tiger to the mountain, okay? So it's not a cat, it's a tiger. So you have to open up, okay? You have to open up over here